guys, we're playing Don't Press the Button 4, number 4. And someone pressed the button. Who did it? You died! Ah! Is this guy right here? Oh!
No! I died!
Help! Obby Master, Obby Master. Ah! I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm not lucky. I'm not lucky. Boy, that girl is so good.
So, Georgina hates me.
I'm pressing the button. I'm pressing the button.
You flew my
Watch out!
Why did you do that?
Yeah, my statue. I'm the best person in the world. Coins. Whoa, there's a big head person. Oh, there's portals. There's a portal. Only reach the correct door. Only one. Oh, this one. I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, it's not that one. The green one is always the right one. Never mind.
Green.
Yeah, do green.
Yeah.
It has to be green.
No.
It's this one. Blue. Here. I think it's yellow. Go in yellow. No. What the heck? What?
What do you do?
What? Everyone just died.
You died.
Everyone just died because of you. Everyone died because of you.
Everyone will be angry at you.
Oh, I forgot I had this. What the heck?
What the heck?
Drinking this. I'm super tiny. We jump over the lasers. What lasers?
Woo!
I'm super little.
Woo!
Oh, I think it's over there. Where's everyone going?
Woo!
Hey, John, look at me. I'm tiny.
Woo!
Money. Money.
I got it.
Let's see if I get even tinier.
Come, I'm here.
Wait.
Good job.
Oh no.
Good job. Good job.
Wait. The laser, it costs 8,000 coins, and the 8,000 coins. I am a banana. I am a banana monkey.
I am banana.
What the heck?
Oh, Nuggy!
What the heck? What is this? What? I want to press the... What the heck? What's going on? What? What happened to you, Gavin?
External Nuggy.
We're in space? Wow, I'm jumping so high. What if we go off the edge? Where are you guys?
Ooh, no.
I'm in space. I am on the moon. Tiny, the first kid to go on the moon. Yeah, I am. I just got spawned here. A coin. Aliens.
Get up!
I don't want to get stuck. I'm too young to die. Please. What the heck?
No!
Doesn't matter. Ouch. What just happened? I survived. Get on the water. Hey, I'm on fire. No, I'm gonna die. I died. I'm drinking my tiny potion.
How much does it cost?
I don't know. The acid is spreading.
Acid is spreading. No!
I'm so little, so I can go on top of here. Imagine you can go inside of stuff. Ew.
No, it costs the money. It costs the money.
You get coins. You get coins that's on the floor.
What?
This is so annoying.
It's annoying.
Oh, I did it. Grab the most candy. Hey, oh, please, I need candy. There's too much candy. I found candy.
It's so good. I love it.
Candy. Stop. Stop it. Please. Stop. That's kind of just... I know. I got 3 candies. 4 candies. I cannot see any more candies. Oh, I found the ice cream. I found ice cream. Hello. Oh, I found a lollipop.
Who likes my granda buramberende?
What? You win? Slide? Oh, I love slides. I'm a kid. Ah! No! What is this? This slide is not for kids. This slide is not for kids. I need to turn back. Hello. Wait, you guys are staying here. Let me go on top of the button. I pressed it.
No, I pressed it.
Stay on the raft. Are you serious?
Are you serious?
It just insta-killed me.
Yeah, me too.
Let's see if there's a little hole I can go through. Gavin, come over here. Ah! Money. What the heck? Grab the most rings. Where's the rings? Oh, the rings. I think I got 1 ring.
No, look on the bottom. You got 1 ring.
I got 2 rings. I got 3 rings. I got 4 rings. I got 5 rings. I got 6 rings. I got 7 rings. I hope I win. I'll be on top of here. But money. I pressed it. Gotta go fast. Yeah, I gotta go fast.
I gotta go fast. Where are you? Oh, this is a big.
I gotta go so fast. I'm sorry.
I can see you, Arjun. But where are you from the baby? Where are you from the baby? Where are you from the baby?
I see you.
The baby.
Hey, Goku, I can see you.
Oh, monkey. I thought you were.
Bye bye.
Hey, Garaka.
You hit your head. What the heck? I love gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. What the? Quickly get to the top. Parkour time. I'm scared. Oh. No! I teleported. No, I fell. Oh my goodness, my charging.
No!
Stop shouting, please.
No!
You shouted in my ear. Ew. There's poop on the... What the... What? I just fell off the map. Oh yes, I'm tiny so I can just run over. Bye-bye, cars. I'm just gonna keep on walking. Nothing's gonna happen to me.
Hey!
Nothing's gonna happen to me.
That did not count.
so easy. I just walked. That was so easy.
How do you get frozen?
Avoid getting frozen.
What?
I don't want to get frozen, please, please. Go, 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 go. Oh, you got frozen. Yes, I can win. No! I was at the line. This is not fair. Ah.
No! No!
This is not fair. Ah! This is so hard. I know, but I was so close to it.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
What? I did that as well. Please, please, please. Yes. What? No.
Island.
Watch out for the landmines. Let's see if I drop money on it. Hey, you want money? Want money? Want money? This one has to be the... What the?
Hey!
Reach the top. Oh, this is gonna be easy. I played this in my... Oh, I can play this in my sleep. Ah!
Hey!
Ah! It's not fair. Oh, I just thought you'd get exploded. What?
No! Let's go down.
What? Knock on the door? Okay. I'm not scared. I'm just a little kid wanting some candy for Halloween. Oh, this is a skeleton. Oh my gosh! Help! 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 Oh, look at it! It's stuck. Help! 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 Please! Please! This is my nightmare. Find the hole in the wall. What? I am so little so I can just fit through the lines. Oh, it actually works. It works. I can just wait here. I don't care. I don't care.
That was so easy.
Reach the end. Oh, this has to be easy. Oh, I'm easy. Oh,
so
easy business. Let me pour money on it. Let's see if it works. Oh, it worked, buddy. What? I didn't even touch it. Let's do this. I'm going normal size. I think it's because I'm tiny. Because I'm not jumping. You go to the shop and buy it with your coins. Money, 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 money. Watch out. Ah! Oh, go tiny, go tiny. What?
Did you see that?
Yeah, I went tiny just in time.
No, I jumped and it just hit my head and it
Reach
fell
the
down.
top of what? Oh, yeah. Jumping. What? What? Yay. I want to reach the top. I want to go to the clouds. No. I cannot even see myself in the clouds. Oh, how did I survive that?
Ew!
What?
Because
Ew!
you went out.
Dodge the lasers? I don't need to. I don't need to. I'm little. Oh, never mind. Never mind. No. Let's see if I can go under that. Oh, I can go under it. I can go under it. Easy peasy. I don't need anything. I win! I win! I win! I win!
You know how big is it there?
I win. It's because I'm tiny. I'm the best. I am so sweaty. Oh, look how much coins I have. You guys are so bad. Ah, it's closing in. It's closing in.
I'm gonna die.
Did I die? I survived.
I survived.
More coins. I need some coins. I need some coins. What the? Reach the bottom. What's going on with me? Huh? This must be easy. I'm scared.
That's so easy.
Hey, you cheater! I can see you. Yes. Whoa. Okay. We're on this level where we have to jump on the rocks. Oh, I'm the best.
No!
Ah! Please don't do this to me.
How hard I am! Like so hard right
So
now!
sweaty.
Oh no!
You like my money? You like my money? You like my money?
Hey, how big can you jump when you're small?
I don't know, but I think it's the same size. Oh, I can just turn tiny and just walk over. This is easy. This is so easy. No!
This is so easy. Gotta drink some. Gonna drink.
It's kind of... Yep. Is this Fanta?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't taste right. Ugh. I think I should buy something. Go get to the top.
I can see this stuff.
I'm the best parkour master. What?
Ooh.
Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
I did it! I did it!
Stop shouting, you. Your voice is so.
It's so easy.
Wait, imagine the block. This. I know the wood. It's gonna break. The wood is gonna break.
Yeah. Hey, see, you can't press the button.
Why did you do this? Wait, I can just turn tiny and go under.
What?
Ah!
Oh no!
Stop shouting, bro. Get ready. I'm getting ready. Get on the yellow pad. Ah! Oh, that was so close. Get on the blue pad.
We're all surviving.
You know what? Come on. Get on the red pad. Get on the blue pad. This is so easy. Get on the red pad. Get on the green. Green. Oh, that was close. That was close. Get on the yellow pad. Ah!
No, that was so hard.
What? There's a black hole, I think. Why are we all here? Oh, I love. Watch out for the raining bombs.
Holy! Oh god! Oh,
They're not exploding.
holy crap!
Wait a minute. I'm the size of the bottom place. Look. Oh my gosh, I'm the size of it. Get your butt out of my face. Get your butt out of my face. Hey, stop pushing me off. Get your butts out of my face. This is gonna be the end of this video. This is gonna be the end of this video. And bye. Please explode.